This is Mr. Martin. These are video notes for Geometry Honors, section 12.1. This is video number 5. We're going to take a look at an example, and then we're going to finish out the notes for the section. So for this first example, you notice we have a right triangle, and we need to find angle x. In the last video, we learned how to solve that. But you can see that we've got all three sides of the triangle. So I've got my hypotenuse, I've got my opposite side, I've got my adjacent side. And in order to find this angle, I'm going to have to use one of my inverse functions. And since I have all three sides, I really can use any trig function that I want. So just for fun, I'm going to start this problem, and I'm going to try it using the tangent. So I've got the tangent of x, and I know tangent is opposite over adjacent, so that's 48 over 55. Alright, and then I figured out in the last video, if I want to solve for x, I have to take the tangent inverse of both sides, so I know that x is going to be the tan inverse of 48 over 55. And if I plug that into my calculator, I should get 41 degrees. Alright, if you're not getting that same answer, make sure that you check in with me. And again, when you're showing your work on quizzes or tests, make sure that you show me this original trig equation, and then make sure that you show me this next equation where you're solving for x, and how you did it using the tan inverse. So again, since we have all three sides, I can use any of the three trig functions, sine, cosine, or tangent. So let's try this one more time using cosine and see if we get the same answer. So cosine of x, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, so my adjacent side is that 55, so 55 over the hypotenuse, which is 73. So I know that x is going to be the cosine inverse of 55 over 73. Go ahead and plug that in, and hopefully you get 41 degrees again. So x is 41 degrees. Don't forget your degree symbol. So go ahead and solve the other three problems here. You can pause the video, and then you can check with me to make sure that you got the answers right. And if you want to do that now, go ahead. Otherwise, let's finish out with the video here. So here's a challenge for you. If you want to complete this, go ahead and do this. And again, once you get the solution, you can check in with me, and go ahead and also see what you can do here for the recap it. And again, I'll have the completed notes if you want to verify that you did those correctly. So that's the end of section 12.1. Again, make sure you have a really good handle on all this information. It's very important. You're going to be using it in future math classes. And we'll see you next time.